Good morning. Today I'm going to be showing you a super simple recipe for sweet potato hash. So I'm starting with a pan on medium high with just some grapeseed oil. I'm going to add my potatoes. I would suggest probably cutting these into a little bit smaller chunks just so they cook faster. But yeah, you just want your potatoes to be in chunks or diced. I'm gonna add a little bit more grapeseed oil. So after the potatoes are all completely covered in oil, I kind of just stop stirring so they can get brown. Try to put them in like a single layer. And while the bottom side is browning, we can go ahead and season the top. Put this down. So we're going to do some garlic powder. You can also do fresh garlic if you feel like chopping more stuff up. Parsley. The seasoning for this really just depends on my mood. Sometimes like I can go for more of a Mexican theme. Right now I'm feeling more Italian. So we're doing rosemary, parsley, oregano, a little bit of turmeric, and then some salt. Okay, so it sounds like you need this. If you can smell that, it smells so good. All these spices. So yeah, I'll just stir it up a bit and then do the same thing. Just kind of spread them out in a single layer. And the potatoes are already feeling a lot softer. So these will take no time to cook. And as far as side dishes for this, since this is a side dish, you need something else to go with it. So, you could do rice, you could do greens. I'm probably going to do just like a fried egg today. You can even put it in a salad. Really, the options for this are pretty endless of how you can incorporate it into your meal. But yeah, this is going to be my breakfast, so I'm going to eat it with a fried egg. Okay, so should be close to done. You'll know it's done when it's brown, but also when it's like the potatoes feel soft, and you can tell when you're stirring. And they'll start to look rounder almost, not as rigid as they were before. Okay, so those are done. Turn that off. I'll put the recipe, or I'll share the recipe in a separate post and show like how I played it. But yeah, this is how you make a quick and easy sweet potato hash. Oh, you can also add onions if you want, but I just did something really quick today. Alright, see you in a couple weeks.